next time that you are in an airplane, make sure that you check to see that the horizon is completely flat. If the Earth was a 24,901 mile circumference sphere, then there should be half a mile of curvature for every 60 miles of distance. So when you look out your plane window, you should see significant curvature, but it's really flat. Last time I was in an airplane after we got off, I asked the pilot and the flight attendants where the curvature was, and well, they said you have to be higher to see it. So, all of those people that think that they see it from the airplane, your eyes can play tricks on you, and sometimes your mind shows you what you want to see.
And you don't see the curve of the Earth at any altitude. And then
you can see the curve of the Earth at certain altitudes, though.
Yeah, I was on a plane to get here, and I saw it.
Yeah.
You don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat.
I travel a lot and I fly a lot, and I can see the curvature when I fly.
Okay, so 35,000 feet, you can see it, right? That's what you're saying?
Generally speaking, I can see a slight curve to it, yeah.
Okay, so Neil deGrasse Tyson says that you can't see it at that altitude, so I really...
This really doesn't matter. We have satellites.
That stuff is flat.
Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
Curvature? No.
No? There's no curvature?
It's just all flat.